Okay, so what do you hope or wish to get out of this holiday season? So, what are your wishes or ano yung mga wish mo sa holidays na to? Whether intangible or tangible. So, pag sinabi nating tangible, ito ay nahahawakan or maiggaman. Pag intangible naman, yun yung mga bagay or yung mga bagay na hindi nahawakan or yung mga digiti banag gunurigiti hanga makita nga kaya't mo nga i-wish for this holiday season okay, go John Flor.
Wish ko get adati original a badminton ko. Di maikadwa a wish ko get adda iti bike ko.
Okay,
Imet na ikatlo a wish ko get cellphone.
wow,
Kapat na wish ko get masimpati balay ni. Intangible. Kaya't ko get aga isak ko. Kaya't ko get kamita na pisan.
Okay,
Kaya't ko get nalaingan ako.
okay, very good Jennifer. Who else who wants to share? Sino pa? Yes, Sir Pen. Let's listen to Sir Pen. Let's give 3 claps for John Flor. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Next. Okay ni Sir Pen Matt. What are your hope or wish? What do you hope pala or wish to get out of this holiday season? Yes, Kobe?
Mabalin ha, hidro dry.
Yes, do not draw. Just write what you wish for, okay? What are your wishes? No, yes, okay. Let's listen to Sherpen muna. Okay? So, pag wala kang wish doon sa intangible, okay lang. Ang example naman doon, yung mga intangible, like, example niya, yung gusto mong kung pumigsa ka, kanayan dapat kanayan ka healthy, o di ba? Yun, wish natin yung mga yon. Always healthy or always safe. Okay, Sherpen, go on.
I wish my dog
Exam, ah?
wish my dog is
Mhm.
I wish my sister was health for her sick. I wish we are happy in the Christmas.
Wow.
Me and my friend happy every day.
Okay, very good. Okay, another 3 claps for Sherpen. Okay, who else will volunteer? How about Ace? Arnel? Come on, Arnel. It's okay. You're next. Miss Annani. Sherpen, ikat Dali mamang mo. Okay.
My wish I have a cellphone. My wish I have a happy family. My wish I have a bike. My wish I have a TV.
Okay, very good. Ang daming mga wishes ng mga bata. Okay, next. Sana nandito si Santa, no? Sana totoong may Santa para magkakaroon tayo ng regalo. At lahat ng mga wish natin ay mag-grant or darating. Okay, next. Dapat lahat may wish, ha? Malay nyo, magsabit tayo ng mga medyas sa may pintuan natin. What a Christmas! Because I received a gift from Santa. Okay, let's proceed to Miss Annani. Come on.
I wish I have a happy family. I wish I have a happy best friend. I wish I have a happy sister.
Okay.
I wish I have a happy father.
Happy Father. That's all? Okay. Another clap for her. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, very good.
3 only, very good. Next. How about
Jason.
Who else?
Jason.
Yes, Jason.
Ano, sir?
Sia. Come on, Sia.
No, Madam Dama, you're the last one.
Huh?
Hanay namin ni
It's okay, come on.
Sir, talo lang next one.
It's okay.
Sa kaibigan.
Mm. Yes, Sia. Let's listen to Sia. Have a cake. Okay. On your birthday? Okay. Next.
Second wish,
A
I have a laptop.
laptop.
My third wish is I have a bag.
Wow. But you have a bag already. Another bag?
My fourth wish
You're next.
is I think I have a bike.
A bike. Okay.
My fifth wish is a pet.
A pet. What kind of pet? Oh, anong klase ng pet gusto mo? Aso, pusa, a cat. Okay, a breed, may breed na pusa. Okay, next. Let's lead. Another clap for Sia. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next. Our muse.
I wish for a bag. I wish for my family is healthy.
Yes.
I wish for a pet. I wish for a bike. I wish for that. I wish I can get 30 on test.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I can ride fast.
Okay.
My family is loud.
Okay, very good. Another clap. 1, 2, 3, go. Who's next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Biel, come on. Go, Biel.
My wish is iPad, laptop, cake, e-bike, and bike.
Wow, ang dami. Okay, next. What else? What else? That's all?
Intangible. Health, air, sun, star, moon.
Oh, you are wishing for. What do you want?
Sir.
What do you mean? You want to see them
Or touch them.
or touch them? Intangible yun, pag dinahawakan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag gusto mo makita, siguro gusto mo makita yung buwan at saka bituin. So, makalapag siya. So, yung pangarap mo magiging astronaut para pupunta ka dun sa kahit anong bituin or sa moon. Di ba? Yes, Kobe. You're next. Come on. You share your work.
I was asking, I was telling you I didn't add intangible.
Yeah, it's okay. What I'm asking you is just share whatever you write in there, your paper. Come on. Let's listen to Kobe. Come on.
Cassandra
First,
I wish I have a One Piece minifigure.
what's that minifigure?
A toy that you can rotate the arms and legs and the head.
Oh, so it's just like a robot,
A toy.
No.
A toy. It's
colored
colored with
with.
and have and parts that you can put inside.
Okay, that's nice. So that's your first wish. So another wish?
My second wish is a One Piece bag.
One Piece bag. So your idol mo si One Piece.
Yes.
Oh, sino ba to? Ano pangalan niya?
Isa pa.
Si
Luffy.
Luffy. Okay. Monkey D. Luffy. Okay, next.
My third wish is a
Mini
mini katana pencil.
katana pencil.
There are really,
Mini katana pencil daw. Oh, baka may mga mag-sponsor po dyan. Salamat. Okay, that's all? Okay, let's give a clap for Kobe. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, very good!
Okay, next. Who's next?
Yes, sir.
How about Jared? Come on, Jared. Go now, Jared. And next is Sanjo. Ay, Sanjo. Ishan.
Sandok, I wish for a cell phone. I wish for a bag. I wish for a pencil
Okay.
Ay, sana. Ay, sana. Ulit.
Okay, very good. Ang daming wish ha. Okay, let's clap for Jared. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, next Ishan. So, you will be giving me all that papers ha. Bibigyan nyo sa akin. Malay nyo. May mag-i-sponsor sa atin. Diba? Kahit isa-isa sa inyo, yung mga wish ninyo. Pero ang mamahal naman yata, may mga iPad, may mga laptop, cellphone, iPhone. Okay, game. Sa mga wish ko ay sapatos. Just give. Okay. Snow? Ay, gusto mo mag-snow dito sa Pilipinas. Bumaliktad ang mundo. Okay, next. Air. What? What's that? Lava? Mag-wish ka ng lava? Bakit? Gusto mo mag-erap na? Oh my God. Mamamatay na tayo doon. Grabe. O, sige. Just respect whatever is wishing. Star. Moon. Okay, shooting star. So makakalapag ka dun sa mga bituin, sa mga buwan, sa buwan. Gusto mong pumunta? Okay, next. Let's clap for Ishan. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3,
Very good. Okay, what's next? Oh, yan, Miss.
Birthday girl.
O, si birthday girl later. Mahuli lang si birthday girl. Huli natin. Hindi nyo, ang intangible kasi yung mga hindi nahawakan. Example, yung health natin, yung tinatawag ko kanina. You are wishing for a good health to yourself. For yourself. Okay, pa rin. I wish for a bag. Okay, very good. Clap. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Next.
I wish car. I wish TV. I wish a bag. I wish a bike. I wish a many friends.
I wish a many pets. Okay, very good. Clap. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Okay, next. Miss, go. Ay, napasin niya. Next, hands. Go, hands. Go, hands. Then next is to Gadi. And your next. Your next. And then your next. Next. Okay. Ikaw. Tapos siya. Then sila. Hindi pwedeng wala. Dapat meron kang wish ngayong Pasko. Okay, let's listen to hands. I wish for a cell phone. Next. Pencil. Coloring materials. Okay, that's all? Okay, let's clap for hands. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Next.
Ganto
Oh, malapit lang time. Kaya bilisan natin. 11:24. So we still have 6 minutes. Oh. Dara-diretso na, ha? Dara-diretso na. Next na dito. Yes. I wish for a book, a pen, a bag, ring materials. Okay, you stay there. You stay. Next. Kan. Go, Mr. Ola. Oh. Wait lang. Nandun pa si Kwan. Oh, makinig naman kayo sa kanya. Panen. Ulitin mo na.
I wish for a bike. I wish for a pen. I wish for a bag.
I wish for... What else?
I wish for love.
I wish for love. That's the best thing I've heard. Okay, I wish for love. He's wishing for love. So, given naman yun, minamahal naman tayo ng mga magulang natin, di ba? So, your next Ace, huli ka na lang. Okay?
Very good. I wish for food. I wish for toys. I wish for
Makinig, serpen. Okay, very good Ace. Let's give a clap for, 9 claps for, silang tatlo. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good! Kasi tatlo sila. Okay, next. Let's listen to the birthday girl.
We wish for get back. We wish for get iPad. We wish for get lapis. We wish for get
Okay. What kind of book?
boys.
Nga klase si book nga kayat mo? English book? Novel? Hindi kita mabaling nga basain? Ngatid ka? Okay, so I will give you book. Bibigyan kita ng libro. Maraming libro doon na pwedeng basahin. Okay, next. Very good. Clap for her. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Ikaw na, Ace? Tapos ka na, Ace? Sige siya. I wish for love. Okay, kolekta mo. Hindi ginalpasin. Go, next.
Shakshar.
Ah, sunod. Okay, let's listen to her. Pigsam na ko. Pigsam. I wish I have a bike. Shh! Walang tatayo. Siya lang ang tatayo. Shh! Amunan. Okay, very good. Let's give her 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3. Very good.
Okay, sino ba itang nalpas? Yes, go, Jason. Pasan.
Tagalog tatay sir to si Ilocano cancer.
Go, Jason.
Jason Javi.
Ay, Javin. Jason ako ni Jason eh. Diyan ka tan tanong nalpas awatom si good. Go.
I wish for a jumper. I wish
Jumper what? Dress? Yung jumper na motor.
jumper.
Jumper na motor, okay. Wow.
Wish I love.
I wish for love.
E-bike.
I wish for e-bike. What else? Yun lang? Okay, very good. Dami mong wish, ha? Mamahal pa. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Day. Next.
Ang big figure, sir.
That's normal. Maybe he is a little bit nervous. It's okay. Go, you start. Makinig naman tayo, pinakinggan niya kayo kanina pero dapat ngayon makinig naman tayo sa kanya. Pay a little respect to the person who is speaking in front. Come on. Sakit na din ko. With cellphone, what? What else? Magkaroon ng bike. Four wheels. Okay. Another. Wala yun lang? Bike, tsaka four wheels. Dua lang? Ano ba isa? Cellphone. Okay. Very good. Next. Let's clap for Jason. 1, 2, 3, go. Next. Ikaw na. Bilis. Sunod ka na. Lagpasan ko namin. Dali tayo mo, no? 1 minute. Bigyan na ang penal pass iti sangon. Tapag saruno kayo. Saruno. Wala pa na. Munakan. Munakan. Go. You start. Muna ka na lang. Cellphone. Nyapay. E-bike. Nyapay. Bike. Okay, that's all? Okay, dang ko muna. Next. Huwag ka muna alis dyan. Isang palakpakan na lang tayo. Wish mo, girl.
My wish is sana magkaroon ako ng
Cellphone ulit. Okay? Makita mo si? Bakit si Tito nasan ba? Ay, nasa abroad. Pangalan niya? Badet? Bernadette? Asilador. Taga ano? Parted Toy. Ararsip. Ay, Talalaod. Okay. Bernadette Asilador. Oh, may wish niyang pamangkin mo na gusto niyang makitang umuwi. Matagal na ba siyang wala? Ay, matagal nga. Awanso na to yan. Ang nag-awit pulos. Nabibiyag. Hong Kong. Haan. Bayan na. Saudi. Ah, okay. Next. Very good. Next. Okay. Sophia. Cellphone. Okay. Ano pa? Tablet. Ang dami namang gadget yan. Next. What else? Motorbike or e-bike. Ay, motorbike. Ang dami ah. Okay, next. Okay, good. Very good. Cellphone. Laptop. Pencil case. Nang? Notebook? Book. What kind of book? Anong klase ng libro? Ha, Filipino? Babasahin. Pambata, ganon. Okay, next. Meron pa? Wala na. Okay, last but not the least. Sino? Tapos na si Arnel. Ikaw na pinakauli.
Kayla, sir.
Huwag maingay.
Sir ni Kayla.
Is happy. Okay, so wala kang wish na tangible, no? Puro intangible lahat. Wow, how touching naman siya. Yung pinagamon? Princess Adriana? Ay, Princess Yvonne. Si Princess Yvonne, wala siyang wish na kahit ano. Ang gusto lang niya ay maging masaya ang kanyang pamilya. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Dapat sa atin, mas masaya, mas healthy na Pasko. Nya? When? So, that's all for today. And pass your paper. Okay. Oh, go to your seat na. Oh, bago tayo uwi, pulutin mo na yung mga kalat natin. Napakakalat. Mamayang hapon tayo magpa-practice. This afternoon. No need. I mean, this afternoon? Alas 3 tayo practice tayo. Magkaklase muna tayo. Then practice tayo mga alas 3. Tapos, Wanya Road. Tapos no, panag-aawidan. Listen. Ibagak GGC. Nagyan nagbalon. Mabalinda ngay pa itugot to nag-costume yo. When? For the opening of lights. Sir, no malam. Yung nga nagbalon, bagayon ta.
Sir, alakan dyan costume.
Agawid kayo pa lang mo di balayo sa kaig subliti 5:30. Agawid kayo pa lang di balayo sa kaig subliti 5:30 kasi ay.
Sir.
Okay. Pilot yon?
Sir.
Ha?
Sir,
Wait lang. Isa-isa lang. Astoy, kayo. Agawid kayo pa lang mo di balayo so nga maalayo di costume nyo. When?